Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn about verbs. Verb. A verb is a word or a phrase that indicates action or a state of being. Example: Teacher teaches a lesson. She is a teacher. In the first example, teaches is the action word. In second example, is gives the state of being a teacher. Verb is the most important part of a sentence. It is obligatory even in the short sentences like give, go. Verbs are mainly divided into two kinds: principal verb, auxiliary verb. Principal verb. Principal verb is also called as main verb or base form of the verb. The verb which gives complete sense in a sentence is called the principal verb. For example, the child drinks milk every day. I attend my classes regularly. In the examples given, verbs like drink and attend give complete sense, so they are called principal verbs. Let us observe the examples given below. Children are playing in the ground. The sun shines brightly. Sunil took shelter under the tree. A dog ran after me. Siri wrote a letter to her parents. The words which are in red color, like playing, shines, took, ran, wrote, are all the action words. Transitive and intransitive verbs. Principal verbs are divided into two kinds: transitive verbs, intransitive verbs. A verb that takes an object after it is called transitive verb. The action expressed by a transitive verb passes from the doer or the subject to the receiver of the action. For example, the teacher made the question paper. He gave me a gift. Here, made and gave are the transitive verbs which are followed by an object. Transitive verb needs a direct object to complete its meaning. Second, intransitive verbs. A verb that does not take an object after it is called an intransitive verb. It expresses action without passing to a receiver or object. For example, Annie looks very beautiful. Mr. John speaks loudly. Here, looks and speaks are not followed by objects, so they are called as intransitive verbs. To determine if a verb is transitive, we can ask ourselves the questions starting with who or what after the verb. If you can find an answer in the sentence, the verb is transitive. Here is an activity for you. Fill up the blanks with suitable verbs and say whether they are transitive or intransitive verbs. Second kind of verbs are auxiliary verbs. Auxiliary verb is also called as helping verb. It is used with a main verb to help express the main verb's tense, mood or voice. Auxiliary verbs are mainly three forms: be form, have form and do form. Be form of the verbs are am, is, was, are, were, being, been, will be, etc. Example: the bed was made as soon as I got up. Here was indicates the be form of the verb. Have form: has, had, having, will have are all the have form of the auxiliary verbs. For example, I have purchased a new pair of shoes. Have is the have form of the auxiliary verb used. Do form: does, do, did, will do are the do form of the verbs. Example: Jerry didn't put his coffee in a cup with a lid. Didn't is used as the do form of the verb. Modal auxiliary verbs. In addition to three main auxiliary verbs, have, do, and be, there are additional auxiliary verbs. These are called modal auxiliary verbs like can, could, may, might, must, ought to, shall, should, will, would, etc. Example: I don't know where John is. He could have missed the train. This bill can't be right. Rupees 200 for 2 cups of coffee. Here is another activity for you. Fill in the blanks with correct auxiliary verb from the choices presented. Read the sentences carefully and choose the correct auxiliary verb to fill the blank. Hope you have understood verbs and its two different kinds of verbs, principal and auxiliary. Do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.